here guys, I'm gonna do the dust buster to the inside of the fridge right now. So here guys, as you can see, it's been neglected for a while. It builds up dust and stuff over there. Look. That's how nasty it gets, guys. That's how nasty it is. So, okay. Good morning guys. For today's video, I'm gonna do a fridge tour. Yesterday, as all we know, me and my husband cleaned the fridge. Itutour ko kayo sa fridge namin ngayon. And let's open it. So, ito yung simple organization ko dito. I have cream, sour and cream, strawberry cream cheese, and then sour cream again. It's good for tacos, that's why. And also meron tayo ditong Greek for salad dressing, avocado, and this is one of my favorite, the raspberry hazelnut. That's my favorite dressing. And for chicken, we got a hot sauce and the mild one. Meron din tayong tartar sauce and mayo and mustard. And Tostitos dipping sauce. Also mustard and then mayo. I got apple juice. Ito yung leftover nung biyanan ko nung dumalaw sila. Dos Equis, I still have it. Walang umiinom ng beer dito. String cheese, Lunchables, and on the very top guys, meron naman tayong vanilla milk and other drink over here, fruit punch, vegetable juice, coffee creamer, French vanilla, and I got almond delight. I got wine. My mother-in-law gave it to us. And leftover water. And here guys, I got my water. Coke, canned Coke, and applesauce. Here naman guys is the yogurt. And organic yogurt. Applesauce. I got plenty of eggs. We love eggs for breakfast and apple pie. And then yung pasta leftover. And here naman, I got lemons because we love to mix it with the water. And I got bell pepper for tacos, and I got onions, oranges, and plenty of apples. And on the bottom is we got this salad kit, spinach, salad kit, and carrots and cabbage. So here you go, guys. And kung punta naman tayo sa freezer, so the other side is here. We got meat, frozen meat, turkey pot pie, kids love that, and then chicken, party pizza, Texas toast, and I got this corn dogs, and honeysuckle is a turkey meat, and then meat again, chicken drumstick, and we got pizza, and we got salmon over there. Yan. And also we got a pepperoni pizza over here, the hot pockets. And syempre, the frozen cassava grated. Gawa tayo ng cassava cake soon. Again, fish. More fish over here. Fish stick. And chicken stick. And para dito naman sa side, basic na. So here you have it, guys.